Hello creators. In the last video we discussed BeTheme being the best choice, top choice for agencies to deliver professional websites quickly. And as soon as I published the video on the channel, I start getting requests on the live chats that I should show the installation steps as well. So in this video I'm going to show you how quickly and easily you can install BE, the super responsive multi-purpose WordPress theme, in just within 5 minutes, and you'll be fine to start updating the content to launch the website for your business or your client. So the theme can be bought at themeforest.net just for $60. All discussion has been already done, and now I'm quickly going to install the theme. So here I have a very quick clear and fresh installation, and this is using the default WordPress theme where I'm going to install BeTheme. So we can simply head to the theme section. Nothing technical about it. I'm just showing the easy process, how easy it is actually to install, and it is very important when you are deciding to purchase this theme. You don't need any technical knowledge and you'll be fine to launch your website quickly. So choose the theme pack, so add theme, upload theme, choose the installable theme file, that is be.betheme.zip, which is around 15 MB in size. Click on install now. It will hardly take few seconds. I'll also show you the time. Yes, within 3 seconds for me actually. Let us activate this. And after activation and registration, we are here at the welcome page of BeTheme. And okay, so these are the layouts, and we can see all the websites here. Just in case, 747 is the number as on date, so it means you have 747 pre-made websites to choose with, and all has been distributed and segmented in the business category. So you can see all this here, and we can simply proceed with the dashboard and get started. So here we have two options. Either we can use the pre-built website, or we can use BeTheme as a platform to create a website from scratch. But yes, it is recommended to go with the pre-built website. You are having multiple options with this. So let us get started again, and here we can use the tagline and something, and the progress bar is showing 13% is complete. So we can go to the next step. Here either you can use the voicing editor based as it is based for beginners, and you can even use the code option as text editor. So if you are easy in the code, so you can choose this, but visual is recommended. So visual is already selected here. You can go here, and here what happens, what type of business you have. So you can choose the respective business, like we can choose the education and science, and just in case, and you can go for choosing the builder that you are going to choose, BE builder or Elementor. It is totally up to you how you want to proceed. I recommend BE builder because it works fine for BeTheme especially. However, you have choice to choose Elementor. So next step, and here we have the choice of pre-made site. So you can choose any of these. As I said, all these layouts are super stunning, modern in style, and you can launch either e-commerce website or the business website by choosing the respective theme pack. Theme here, layout here, not exactly theme. So layout selection is here. So I'll choose an e-commerce website to show you the optimal capacity. So here are e-commerce and one page, animated in nature. Okay, and the layouts one page is here. Okay, now it is showing 73 layouts for WooCommerce, and I can choose any of these. So randomly I am going to choose maybe the eco food, or okay, so let us choose this cosmetics one. It may be a popular choice, so I'm just randomly selecting this. Select this, complete website or selected data only. So we will go with the complete website since it is a very new installation. Complete website, next step, and start installation is the next thing. It will bring contact from 7 WooCommerce and the package download, content, theme options and all. So I'm simply clicking on start installation, and we can skip this step. And now installation, the content and the plugin installation is started. It is now at 88%. Let us see how much time it actually takes. 88%. WooCommerce is being installed now. I don't want to pause the video just to show you the exact time it is taking. And the WooCommerce is installed. Package download is going on. Another few seconds, I believe. Yes, done. Content may take a while because it is bringing all the images to our local installation. I mean, at our installation, at domain, or at our hosting from the developer site, developer interference, instance, you can say, and it is going to import all the demo data. And the content is the thing that we can say the demo data, and okay, so it is taking a while, but yes, still I want to show you that is going to be complete within seconds or 1 minute or so. So meanwhile the screen is rotating, I must tell you, you have option to join the iCreate program, which is a super interactive and helpful platform for WordPress website, where you can join for free. You can take advantage of community support, and you can ask any question to related to WordPress website directly on the live chat. Humans are here, humans are answering here. There is no AI, so we are personally answering each and every question. So you are invited to join the program, and you can explore the solutions as well that may be very helpful for your business or website. So I'm coming back to the screen again. Okay, the content is going on. It may take a time, take a while. As I said, it is importing the content all. Okay, so now it is done, and it hardly took 1.5 minutes, I can say 90 seconds simply. And here I have the congratulations message. Check your website. Let us go to the website directly, and it is here. So it was super simple and super effective way to install the theme with all set of demo content, and I got all the inner pages and the product listing and all. So the BeTheme is the easiest theme, the smartest theme for launching modern and professional website that we are using even at most of our quick projects. But yes, there are hundreds of themes to choose and compare on the theme forest itself, and on the channel. On this channel, you can compare 1,000 plus WordPress themes. Yes, 1,000 plus WordPress themes are here on this channel to choose, compare, and understand the functionalities. And just in case if you need any support, we are here with the iCreate program. BeTheme is installed with all set of demo content, and you can see the speed of this website. It's really super fast, and it is working. Okay, so this is my account page actually, and it is working super fast, right? So the product listings about, I'll show you. Yes, it is fine. Okay, so let us meet in the next video. I am going to bring more helpful things for your business sites, for your client delivery packages and all. Let us continue in the next video. Thank you.